One of the biggest headaches for those who are starting, and even for those who already have a business, is how do I price my product or service? It seems complicated, right? But today, I'm going to show you that with 5 simple steps, you can arrive at a fair and profitable price. All this in less than 5 minutes. So, let's go. Step 1. Direct costs. First of all, you need to know exactly how much it costs you to produce each unit of your product or to perform your service. These are the direct costs. Think of it this way. If you sell cakes, the direct cost could be the sugar, flour, other ingredients, packaging, etc. Write everything down, every cent. Also, if you buy material in bulk, divide the total value by the number of products you can make with it. For example, if a 10 bag of sugar is enough for 5 cakes, the cost of sugar per cake is 2. It's that simple, but it's crucial to be precise here. Step 2. Indirect costs. These are the expenses you have every month, whether you sell or not, such as rent for your space, electricity bill, water bill, internet, the management software you pay for monthly, salaries, and so on. These costs need to be diluted in the price of each product or service. But how to do that? One way is to add up all your monthly fixed costs and divide by the number of products you expect to sell in the month or by the number of hours you expect to work, if it's a service. For example, if your fixed costs are 1,000 Rs and you sell 100 units of a product, each product needs to contribute 10 to these fixed costs. Therefore, don't forget anything here. Otherwise, the math won't add up at the end of the month. Step 3. Profit margin. With the direct costs and the portion of indirect costs in hand, you have the total cost of your product or service. Now comes the good part, the profit. The profit margin is the percentage you will add to the total cost to make money with your business. There is no magic number here. You can define a percentage margin, for example, 30%, 50%, 100% on the cost, or a fixed value. In any case, think about the value that your product or service delivers to customers. A handmade, exclusive product can have a higher margin. A fast-moving product might have a smaller margin, but you gain in volume. The important thing is that this margin covers your costs, generates profit to reinvest, and, of course, for your livelihood. Step 4. Eye on the competition and market. Okay, you've calculated your costs and defined your margin. But what about the market? It's essential to take a look at the prices your competitors are charging, but that doesn't mean you're going to copy them. Rather, understand their positioning. Is your price much higher, much lower, or average? If it's very different, why? Does your product have a clear differentiator that justifies a higher price? Or can you be more efficient and have a lower price? Knowing the market helps you validate whether your price is competitive and attractive to your target audience. Step 5. Test and adjust. Defining the price is not an exact science, nor is it set in stone. The market changes, your costs may change, and customers' perceptions also change. Therefore, the 5th step is to test and be ready to adjust. Start with the price you calculated, monitor sales, and ask customers for feedback. If sales are low, is the price a factor? If you're selling very easily, can you increase the margin a little? Pay close attention and don't be afraid to make small adjustments when necessary, okay? So, with these 5 steps, you will be able to define the right price that is truly profitable for your business and fair to your customers. Pricing correctly is one of the keys to your business success, but there are other ways to calculate the price of your product or service. Therefore, if you want to understand other methods, write price definition in the comments, and we will develop a video on this topic. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject. If you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks, and see you next time.